To access the hidden menu, turn on the engine. Turn on the climate system. Now you have to press icon and upper air button at the same time. After you reached the service mode, you can scroll through main menus using the first wheel. With the second wheel, you will adjust the sub-menu. You will read the values on the right display. In this service mode, you can find 31 menus plus sub-menus. You will find a link in the description with every menu explained. To exit the hidden menu, simply press icon button. Thank you for watching. If it was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe buttons. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below and I will try to answer all of you.